Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the oil in your 12th gen Ford F-150. Now this is the 5.0 with a Coyote engine, so just follow along. Okay, for this behemoth, it's not going to take your standard 5 quarts. It's not even going to take 6, not 7, but instead it will take 7.7 quarts. And of course, you'll need your oil filter. Okay, so now all you want to do is drive it up on some ramps or jack it up with jacks and jack stands. I'm gonna go put it up on a lift and we can continue. Okay, so coming from the front of the truck, we go right under here past the skid plate. We have our oil pan right there, and that is a 15mm socket. Okay, so now with your 15mm socket, we'll just go ahead and break it loose. All right, now that we got it loose, we can use one of my favorite tools. This is a magnet you just stick on here. This way you can actually bend it up or out of the way and still turn it. There we go. So we'll let that drain till there's no more coming out. And then we'll put our drain pan bolt back in. Okay, now we can just stick our plug back in. Now you just want to finish tightening it up. Go ahead and wipe off the excess oil. Okay, so coming from the front here, we look right up here. You can see we have the oil filter right here. It also has this little drain gutter so that the oil will come off right there, which I gotta thank Ford for, because that's a really good idea. Okay, so to get this off, I'm gonna use this little tool right here. As I turn it, these jaws will actually close, so like that, and then it will force it off. Okay, so we'll just stick this up in here. Now that it's broke free, we can just spin it off. Now you will have some leaking from the backside, so make sure it's catching that too. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take out our new filter. And you always want to lube up this O-ring, so we'll just take some oil off our old one. There we go. Okay, now that we got it lubed up, we can go ahead and install it. Now this only needs to go hand tight. My hands have a little bit of oil on them, so I'm gonna get a rag. Just hand tight, don't use tools. Perfect. Okay, so we just gotta fill it back up with oil, but as you can see, it's on a slant, so I have a solution for that. This little part right here, it's a Dorman part. I'll put the part number right up there. And we're gonna put that on there, and it'll be like a little elbow to make it stand straight up. All you gotta do, twist the old one off. Twist the new one on like that. And we can put our cap back on, just like that. Okay, now we want to pour 7.7 quarts. Okay, now that you got all those poured, we'll just take this out, put our cap back on. Okay, now we're just going to start the engine, let it run for about 15-20 seconds, let it circulate that oil, then we'll check it. Okay, the dipstick's over here, right past your breather box, right down there. Okay, so final thing we need to do is reset the oil life. So go down here to settings, then we will go to vehicle, then we will go down to oil life reset, and we can go to 100, 90, 80, 70, and so on. All you gotta do is hold OK on the one you want. I'm gonna go to 90. Resetting, and there we go. Oil life is set. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.